Welcome to this explainer. If you are looking to build a totally bulletproof, high-converting digital marketing machine for 2026, well, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're decoding the ultimate AI ecosystem, specifically 5 essential tools that will completely transform how you work, create, and scale your campaigns.
But let's kick things off with a pretty crucial question. Are you still relying only on ChatGPT for your digital marketing? Because honestly, if you are, you're missing out. Don't get me wrong, ChatGPT is fantastic, but using it exclusively leaves massive creativity and automation potential just sitting on the table. It is definitely time to expand that toolkit.
So here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the ecosystem beyond ChatGPT. Second, content and visual design. Third, audio and video production. Fourth, automating workflows. And finally, we'll lock in your 2026 AI strategy. All right, Section 1, Beyond ChatGPT, the ecosystem.
Think about the old way of doing things for a second. Just staring at a blank screen, literally losing hours of your day to manual content planning. Now, imagine instant, audience-tailored calendars. That's exactly what our first tool, Claude AI, brings to the table. In a matter of seconds, it generates a full month of highly targeted post ideas that perfectly match your audience's exact needs.
But its power goes way beyond just brainstorming. Claude AI is an absolute powerhouse for your heavy-lifting, long-form content. Whether you're mapping out a comprehensive campaign strategy, writing a really nuanced blog post, or designing a multi-step customer email sequence, Claude just excels at producing highly structured, natural-sounding writing. Moving right along to Section 2, Content and Visual Design. Because let's be real, having great text is only half the battle, right? Grabbing visual attention instantly is absolutely critical. Enter our second tool, Canva Magic Studio. You simply don't need a complex degree in graphic design anymore. For marketers who are managing multiple platforms at lightning speed, Canva's AI features empower you to generate incredibly professional assets completely effortlessly.
Think of Canva as your single visual command center. As you can see here, you can seamlessly produce a perfect 25% split of assets across the board. We're talking engaging social graphics, sleek presentations, dynamic videos, and high-converting ad creatives, all generated from one unified hub.
Next up, Section 3, Audio and Video Production. Audio and video are literally everywhere right now, and keeping up is exhausting. Instead of setting up a microphone, battling background noise, and doing take after take, tool number 3, ElevenLabs, completely changes the game. It allows you to generate amazingly realistic professional AI voiceovers on demand. You get a fast, consistent brand voice for YouTube, podcasts, ads, or training materials, and you get to skip the heavy studio overhead entirely. And when it comes to video, the real secret is scale. That's where tool number 4, OpusClip, comes in. It's the ultimate content multiplier. We are talking about the ability to take just one single long-form video and magically turn it into 10, 20, or even more highly engaging optimized short clips.
The best part? The workflow is practically entirely hands-off. First, the AI mathematically scans your long video to identify the highest retention moments. Next, it automatically adds dynamic, eye-catching captions. Finally, it perfectly formats those clips for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Boom! You're feeding the algorithms daily, reaching brand new audiences without you having to film anything new from scratch.
Okay, Section 4, Automating your entire workflow.
So, we have the text, the visuals, the audio, and the video. Now we reach the most powerful step of the whole shebang, tool number 5, N8N. This is, quite frankly, one of the most powerful automation platforms available for marketers today. Think of N8N as the invisible engine that turns all your scattered tasks into one seamless, self-driving machine.
To truly grasp its power, just imagine this scenario. You set up a single workflow. Automatically, it publishes a blog post. Instantly, it updates your CRM. It sends out email notifications to your list, and it tracks the resulting leads. All of these tasks happen in the background, simultaneously. You finally get to trade those repetitive digital chores for high-level strategy and creativity. Which brings us to our final stop, Section 5, Your 2026 AI Strategy. There's a quote here that really hits the nail on the head. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing digital marketers. It's giving them better tools to work faster and smarter. That is the core truth of this entire explainer. AI is not your replacement, it is your ultimate enhancer. It's a lever that multiplies your output and drastically elevates your value. So, how do you actually implement this without burning out? Well, keep it simple. Start small by picking just one tool from today's explainer, learn it really well, master its quirks, and then gradually build out your workflow, stacking new tools organically. Over time, you'll construct a marketing machine that is absolutely unstoppable. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final, kind of provocative thought to consider for your campaigns this year. Will AI replace your marketing job? Or will the marketer using AI replace you? It's a profound shift in our industry, and mastering tools like Claude, Canva, ElevenLabs, OpusClip, and N8N is your key to thriving in 2026 and well beyond. If you found this explainer useful and want to continue leveling up your skills, make sure to subscribe to Vimas Tech for even more practical ways to use AI and automation to scale your digital marketing. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive, and keep building those workflows.